Let's first begin with a breaking update. There are reports of a fire that broke out in the Acropolis Mall in Kolkata. Several fire tenders that have been rushed to the spot as the fire broke out in the food court of the Acropolis Mall in Kolkata. No casualties that have been reported. 4 to 5 fire tenders that have reached the spot, and the people there inside the mall have been escorted out. The mall has been completely evacuated. Several fire tenders that we are told who are at the spot. The reason for the blaze has still not been ascertained, but this is said to be on the food court of the mall, which is on several stories high, which has been reported. Let me go across to Adrija now. Adrija, what is the situation as of now?
Well, you see, a fire has broken out in the food court area of Acropolis Mall in Kolkata, and there, as of now, no casualties have been reported. All the people who were present inside that mall have been escorted out safely. Heavy smoke is still being seen. The cooling down process is going on as of now. 4 to 5 fire tenders have reached the spot, and they are presently involved in the process of cooling down. And at the same time, no casualties have been reported as of now. The exact reason for this fire is yet to be detected, but from what we are getting to know initially is that the fire broke out particularly in the food section near some kind of billboard that was present inside the mall. And that is where black smokes was coming out, and the entire people, all the customers present inside the mall has been escorted out of the mall safely.
All right. Thank you for that update, Adrija. No casualties that have been reported. As far as the fire tender teams are there, they are still at the mall.